Remember the days when you were interviewed for your work, or maybe when the times you were asked, ano ang mayroon ka o ano ang mayroon sa'yo na wala ang iba? What is so special or unique about you? What do you have in order to convince us that you can do such kind of work? And I know perhaps we have responded with our best foot forward. Magaling po ako sa craft na ito. Expertise ko po yung ginagawa po dito. Talent ko po ito. Cup of tea ko po itong bagay na ito. Na para pong sasabihin natin, sa akin po, hindi kayo lugi. I am willing to share what I have and who I am. In this time of Advent, we do not only prepare ourselves for the coming of Jesus, but it is also good to recognize what kind of God is the one coming, and what good can this God bring us. And from the readings that we have heard today, we are simply led to this simple and yet beautiful image of God. To a God in His best foot forward. All out. Walang tipid. Walang lugi. Lavish in giving us. Generous in all things. Why meditate the gospel about the multiplication of the loaves and the fishes and the prophecy of Isaiah about the Lord's mountain when we are to prepare or we are celebrating Advent? This is just a simple assurance that the God whom we wait to come and the God who is with us wishes to give the best and the beautiful for us. The one whom we prepare for to come is not a person who is empty-handed and who will struggle to provide us, but a God with a hand and heart full of blessings for you and for me. While it is good that we do our best to prepare for Christmas by going to confession, visiting houses of charity, or doing charitable works in general, singing our Christmas carols, or making parinig to your boss about your bonus, preparing for Christmas at large, it is good that we see God giving us the best and the beautiful for us. To acknowledge who is this God coming to us? What kind of God is coming to us? In times that we will go empty and nothing, maybe during this season and forever in our lives, it is good to remember that the Emmanuel whom we await can multiply the bread and the fishes that you have now. When it is also blurry, what kind or who is this God for us? He is just a God who sets His best foot forward for us. Yung ayaw tayong magutom, bigay todo para sa atin at ang ibibigay sa atin yung maganda para sa atin. My dear brothers and sisters, if this is the kind of God that we await, who won't be excited to meet Him? If this is the kind of God whom we await, who won't be that very excited to celebrate Christmas? Fear cannot be part of someone waiting for this kind of God, for this kind of Jesus, if what is in His heart is to bring what is best for us, and the capacity of His heart to give His all for us. We are to welcome a God with His best foot forward for us, ready to give you, ready to be generous for you, and ready to give what is best for you.